Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix DirectX12 is not supported on your system in Marvel Rivals. If you find this video helpful, then please consider subscribing to the channel and help us reach our milestone of 1000 subscribers. Okay, so let's dive in. Now first of all, go on the search bar and type DXDIAG. Now click on open. Okay, as you can see, if in your case you are saying DirectX 11, you will have to do some fixes. So let's do it. Now first of all, go on the search bar and type settings. Go over to Windows Update and check if you have any Windows update. Now the second method is go over to NVIDIA app. Okay. And check if you have any driver updates. As you can see, I have one. If in your case you are seeing an update, download it. After that, go over to Steam. This is the third method. Go over to Library and select Home. Now right click with your mouse on Marvel Rivals and select Properties. In the launch option, type -DX11. Now close and restart your computer. That's it. That's it for the video. Please note that in most of the cases, this game does not work on integrated graphics card.